How to change Messenger ringtone? Follow this guide. Initially open the Messenger app on your device. Now tap on the three horizontal lines at the bottom right to open the menu. From there, tap the settings at the top. Inside settings, look for the notification and sounds and click on it. This section controls all your message alerts including the ringtone. Furthermore, under the notification preference section, choose the ringtone option. Here you will see a list of different ringtone you can choose from. Simply click on any ringtone to hear how it sounds. Once you find the one you like, just select it and Messenger will save the changes automatically. That's it. You have successfully changed the ringtone on Messenger.